strange for a little piece of change, right?
That's right.
Fuck my shit is that?
What are you missing now?
Vamos, yo, you two always comes to the same spot that I'm at.
Nigga, boy, I gotta come over, nigga.
Ajá.
Entre metido, coño.
Don't be shy. Rip it all off. Fuck it.
Nigga, I'm ready to rip all this shit off, to be honest, too. Why you ready, cop?
Wow, he said for you.
That bitch is tight.
She said it.
So,
He said you're a pussy, so you need that.
Basically.
Todavía?
Yo, suck my fucking dick, bro.
Mind if I do?
Promise?
What?
What?
oh!
Anyway. Money shot?
I've been waiting for a couple hours. It's pissing.
You want to open up the radiator?
Yeah.
Yeah, open the top.
Open it up and read.
It won't come off.
Diablo, that nigga.
Missed the whole thing.
What do you mean? It wasn't anything, right? It was just, you know? She said, fuck it, I'm gonna shoot out like a rocket.
Nigga, miss completely.
You even take out the thing though. Take it off. Take it off. Go. I'll push you to the right spot though. Oh, you bitch! You leave it off.
Yeah, that shit was useless.
I got most of it. Sort of.
The rest is on the floor.
That's the important part around here. 20 seconds. Why don't you just do that to begin with?
I could have put it on earlier because the jack's in the way. Well,
Yeah.
I can moist it up for you. She's like aluminum foil, bro.
Let me use this one. This one's strong. Look at that. Probably smaller. Yeah, definitely smaller than that.
Don't get me soaked though, baby.
Daddy?
Yeah, wet it.
Oh my god, look at all that.
Oh yeah. Spray like you mean it, bro. Come on. Take the whole pussy.
Now I know how you feel when you're coming everywhere.
What? Ah, hombre araña. Get the booster.
Can I get there, bro? I'm over
Hurry
here.
up.
I'm sorry, boss. I'll hurry up.
The bay's already painted.
And with that, my friend, we are done.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna do that side.
Caulk that shit.
I don't know. I've never done this before. Let's see how this goes.
Get a good amount in there. Get a little bit more than that. Oh yeah. Just like OEM. This guy can't caulk for his life, bro. Look at this dude. Yikes. Bueno. OEM plus? I didn't want to talk.
This shit's hard to squeeze. You know what I mean?
We should have just left that shit out.
Make it look good.
It don't look too bad, but it's not great. Another tape so you can see that scratch. Bah, 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 bah.
Having a fucking dysfunction over there.
Bro, look how thin your shit is.
But it looks better. And I didn't get even to finish.
We're gonna use this instead of spray paint. Darkness.
Here, put that over there.
First of all, he made sure he had that on the floor just in case. Wow, that shit looks like shit. Hopefully shit comes out good. Is that also my camera?
This is David actually working on his own cars.
It's not my car. Yo, back up. It's a good 100 footer. Go back to see how this in the camera.
Fucking mint.
Does it look good from far away?
You gotta do the thumbs.
Now get closer.
Oh shit!
It looks bad in there?
Fucking cuckoo kachoo spit on this.
It looks bad in there?
Oh my god.
That's something that's not.
I can't see, bro, the reflection on it.
Good. That's what we're going for.
Honestly, it doesn't look bad, I think, on the camera.
And everybody's in the comment, that shit was like trash, bro.
It looks fucking mint, bro.
What was that, David? We should have just spray painted this shit. So how when you look at
You don't
YouTube,
look too bad.
So when you look at YouTube videos, right?
You don't look too bad.
I mean, we're gonna see after we do the next coat. Alright, so this is the second coat. I can't see in the camera, see if it looks good, but yikes. It's a good 100 footer. You know, nothing special. Damn, that right there looks horrible. I didn't finish that. We're gonna let it dry. I'm gonna get some more paintbrushes.
More what?
Before anyone attacks us, alright? The reason why we did this is because we painted a sign earlier. Well, not earlier, a couple days ago. And you see all that overspray all over the car? And all over the garage? We don't want to do it again, so we just did this. Just to see how it comes out. We did a second coat on this. This, we need to do a second coat on that to make it look better. And down there too. Watch out. So hopefully it looks good. If not, this car's getting sold. What'd you say, Francis?
That I'm no Picasso, but this shit look good.
Let me see. This is like what? The third coat?
No, this is still technically.
Well, that's the first coat over there. As you can see, you're still missing a whole bunch.
No, that was you.
Oh, now it's me.
You were supposed to paint
now
all of
it's
this.
Me. Anyway.
You were supposed to paint all of this.
This is how it looks. This is my side, obvious. Look at that. Pristine.
Picasso did the other side.
Yikes.
He said, I like it how I like my men.
I mean, look, from back here.
Point the camera at me.
Hold up, from back here, solid. They can
Point the camera at me. And they say my paint jobs are fucked up.
This is still better.
Bruh, this is a paintbrush. Yours just freaking spray paint. Yours crazy? This still looks better than yours.
You could have. You would have probably just poured the whole shit on, and it would probably look better.
Dumbass motherfucker.
It would have looked way better.
Yeah, it would look like my dick in your mouth. Yo, what you doing?
Take it again.
Look at Picasso over here. Go underneath. Go underneath. This lazy bum.
What do you mean? It's better to go through here.
Yeah? So we decided to just sand down the engine bay again. As you can see, we're already doing it again because we didn't like how it came out. I seen it on YouTube, a couple people do it. I guess we did something wrong. It didn't come out as great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand this whole thing down again, and we're gonna use wrinkle red. I've never seen someone use it on the engine bay. I've seen people use the bed liner like for trucks, and they put it on the engine bay. It's pretty much the same, but we're gonna put the wrinkle red on the engine bay. We're gonna do the opposite of what people do. Usually they put wrinkle red on the valve cover or wrinkle whatever, and then have this all shaved nice and smooth. We're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna put a wrinkle on the engine bay. That's gonna be, the engine's gonna be smooth, you know, just normal paint, and that's it. Hopefully it looks good. I personally haven't seen it yet on the engine bay. I mean, maybe they didn't do it for a reason, because maybe it'll look ugly, but we're gonna try it out. Maybe it'll look cool. If it doesn't, then whatever. It's a learning experience. Hopefully it looks better than this. Look at that. By the way, the black paint we used is this Rust Shield. We used paint brushes and brushed it on. I seen a couple people do it on YouTube. It came out beautiful. Maybe we just did something wrong, but at least it's not gonna rust now because we're gonna sand it down a little bit, and it's still gonna have some of this still on it. Hopefully it paints good. Hopefully it doesn't react with just paint with the wrinkle red. It's mostly all sanded down. We just have to hit this right here and there, and we're gonna paint. Drippage?
No, touch that.
Beautiful. Yo, this should look brand new. Alright, so check it. The wrinkle didn't wrinkle at all. It wrinkled, but it wrinkled horrible. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sand it down one more time and just make it flat red, matte red, and that's it. Because this is taking way too long. Want me to do this part?
Yeah.
Make sure it's dry, alright? Because we didn't find other colors. Just record that.
What?
I'm confused, but why gold?
Yo.
It's
Looks gold to me, right?
It looks gold to me, bro. Drip central too.
Yeah, you're fucking up the paint.
How?
Look at that. Light coats, right?
He goes
Light, right?
fast on that shit.
Light, David. Light.
Fucking speeding going up. Oh, you heard that shit?
Yeah, those are right.
I think that's
That fucking bitch right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh shit. Look at that. Wow. That's a cute ass dude right there. That's all I'm saying. I gotta do some damage. Yo, this shit look like a camera. Do it again. Hey, yo. You should have seen the squirt is what? Hey, yo. My boy knows. Oh, shit. Leaning. Too close.
close. Oh, you something to me.
Good thing you guys didn't have me paint. Tú si eres, tú eres malo, yo. Damn. Did I hear drip?
I had to get the angle in, no? Didn't I have to get the angle in?
Right, yes?
Well, yeah, I forgot to record how it looked after we finished painting the bay bronze. Yeah, I know it looks gold, but the can says bronze. I only have that little clip that you seen right there recorded on my phone, and this picture that you're seeing right now. It came out a lot better than the black and the wrinkle red. The next video is gonna be us painting the motor and slapping the motor in. Well, yeah, I hope you liked the video. Deuces.